Hello and welcome to this video demonstration regarding using the PPE Decon kit that we have here at the Limerick Fire Department. These kits will be placed on the following apparatus: the squad, the ladder, the rescue, and the engine. They'll be in a similar black container as you see here with a lot of different equipment inside of it. The purpose of this kit is to be used to decon us anytime we're in an IDLH, a working fire event, or anything of that nature where we need to decon ourselves and remove contaminants that may potentially cause us illness or injury down the road. Always remember, when you're using these kits, ensure that you always have gloves and glasses on. The kits contain two different types of decon approaches: the standard soap and water, which most people have been seen before, with brushes and a hose, but also the new system we have, TruDecon. The TruDecon system is a three-part process. There's three containers: part 1, part 2, and also part 3. All three of these get opened up and mixed into the sprayer that we have inside of this black kit. Also make sure before you use the sprayer that the red tip is installed in here. If it is not, do not use the sprayer. It's very important because it gets the right pattern that we're looking for to apply the decon solution. Open up all three of these containers. Pour all of these containers into this spray bottle. Do not add any more fluid to it, only what comes in these TruDecon sprayers. Close it up, pressure it up, and then you're ready to go. And remember, always have gloves and glasses on. Hello and welcome to part 2 of the PPE Decon demonstration for the Limerick Fire Department. The officer in charge has established a decon based upon the needs of the incident. In part 1 of the video, you saw how to use and put the chemicals inside of the sprayer. Now we're going to talk about how we're actually going to be doing decon on the incident scene. As you can see down here, we have the sprayer. The sprayer has the chemicals in it. It is not charged yet. We're going to be using a large brush to remove gross decon, large particulate matter, off of the firefighter when they come over to the decon area. The other part we'll need out of the kit is going to be the nozzle and the sprayer. For the chauffeurs and the engineers, remember, do not fully open the gate valve on this. Make sure you keep the pressure down on low or you're going to blow apart the hose. Go to your discharge, connect up, hose is ready to go in service. Now, once the firefighters exit the IDLH environment, they're going to come over to the decon area. The firefighter is going to sit there and spread their legs and arms wide, and we're going to take the brush and we're going to remove any gross contaminants that are on the firefighter when they come through and knock that on the ground. Once we actually charge the pump sprayer and pressurize it up, then we're going to sit there and we're going to discharge and we're going to spray. This will have a very wide spray area. You're going to come through and you're going to evenly coat the firefighter down, and then you're going to tell the firefighter, please turn around, and then you're going to spray again. And this will all be done in the demonstration video. At the end of that, the firefighter will loosen their straps so we can get behind the gear and on the straps as well, and we'll see that in the live demonstration. Now we're going to do the live demonstration. Per department SOG, the minimum wait time is 3 to 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this live demonstration of this video, and remember to read your SOG.